Making a Webflow website responsive ensures it looks great on all devices, from desktops to smartphones. Here's how to achieve responsiveness in Webflow. Use Webflow's responsive design tools. Webflow provides 4 breakpoints: desktop, tablet, mobile landscape, and mobile portrait. Access these by clicking on the device icons at the top of the designer. Start with a mobile-first approach. Design your site starting with the smallest breakpoint. This ensures your content is easily scalable to larger screens. Set relative units. Use relative units like percentages, EMS, or REMs for widths, margins, and paddings. This allows elements to resize based on the viewport. Flexible layouts. Use Flexbox or CSS Grid for creating flexible, responsive layouts. These tools help distribute space and align items dynamically based on screen size. Media queries. Webflow automatically creates media queries for different breakpoints. Use Webflow's image settings to set responsive image properties. Test across devices. Use Webflow's built-in preview tool to test how your website looks on different devices. Also, manually test on actual devices when possible. Adjust interactions. Ensure interactions and animations work smoothly on all devices. Some complex animations may need adjustments or simplifications for smaller screens.